Clyde Lee Dennis here, and today in our 7 Good Minutes extra segment. Our thought for today is, living a low-maintenance life is an art, choosing simplicity over stress, clarity over chaos, and joy over excess. This quote reminds us that a fulfilling life isn't about having more, it's about needing less. A low-maintenance lifestyle doesn't mean doing without. It means focusing on what truly matters and letting go of what complicates or drains our energy. By simplifying our routines, minimizing unnecessary commitments, and prioritizing peace of mind, we create space for more clarity, happiness, and freedom. It's about making life easier, not harder, choosing quality over quantity, presence over pressure, and purpose over distractions. To embrace this mindset, start by identifying one area in your life that feels unnecessarily complicated. Ask yourself, how can I simplify this to reduce stress and increase joy? Small adjustments, like decluttering your schedule, streamlining your habits, or setting boundaries, can lead to lasting positive change. Here's a question to reflect on today. What is one small change you can make today to simplify your life and create more peace? Today's positive affirmation is, I choose simplicity, clarity, and joy, creating a life that is peaceful and fulfilling. Remember, a low-maintenance life isn't about sacrifice. It's about intentionally choosing what adds value and letting go of what doesn't. Until next time, I'm Clyde Lee Dennis, and this has been 7 Good Minutes Extra.